Good morning, sir. Greetings to you. I am Christian Sam Tejada Espina and karon na explain ako ang module sa controlling or CO. What is SAP controlling? So, SAP controlling is a module in SAP Finance that helps company track, control, and analyze cost and profits. From gikan sa iya word na controlling, so isa siya ka module sa SAP Finance nga mag-control, mag-track ug mag-analyze sa cost and profit. So diri makita ang ang cash flow pasulod o pagawas. Then it is mainly used by managers to make better business decision and improve profitability. So diri naglist ako ng mga butang nga matabang sa sub-controlling sa usa ka company. So natay lima ka butang. So pinakauna is monitor expenses. So diri sa sub-controlling is makamonitor ka sa imong expenses so sa cash flow nga nagawas gikan sa imong company. Then analyze profits. Ma-analyze nimo is profitable pa ba siya, maka-gain ba ka profit or dili. Then create budgets. Mag-create ka ng budgets within programs or activities or projects. Then evaluate department performance. Ma-evaluate nimo if ang imo department is sakto ba ila performance or dili. Then make better management decision. Mas masayon-sayon og decide diri based sa nahitabo or mas mapadali og decide sa isa ka manager kung unsa iya buhaton. Then next, dirita sa CO organizational structure or controlling organizational structure. Then natay upat ka layer na si client, si company code, si controlling area, sana si operating concern. Then si client is the highest level in SAP. So siya ang pinaka highest na level sa SAP. It is independent environment where company data is stored. So, si client, this is sa ka independent environment tungod kay lahi man tao client. Lahi tag client ay maabot na client, ay mahawa na client, etc. Then company code, the smallest legal accounting unit. Each company code has its own financial record. So, si company code is isa siya ka account nga naa kang company. Then sa usa ka company code is naa gid siya financial record. So didto na record sa company code ang financials and cash flow sa usa ka company. Then controlling area, a unit used to manage revenues and expenses. A controlling area can include multiple company codes. So dito kang controlling area is dito si controlling area is isa ni siya ka unit nga gigamit para pag-manage sa imo revenue o sa imo expenses. And take note, sa usa ka controlling area is pwede ka na ay one or more company codes. Then, operating concern, used to analyze profitability in different market segments and or business areas. So, diri kang operating concern is diri i-analyze if profitable pa ba ni siya nga market segment or business area. If diri nga business area is profitable pa ba siya, if daghan ba ang mahimo profit na makuha or dili. And para dali masabtan is nata illustration dire. Muna ito illustration. Ato sample is illustration. Ato client is si Global Bike. Then ang ato operating concern is si Global Concern. Diri na sa operating concern i-analyze if kani nga nga segment or kani nga market or kani nga business area is profitable pa ba or dili. Na if profitable siya, proceed ta dito kang controlling area. Itong controlling area is nasiya one or more company codes. But diri sa ato sample illustration is nara siya usa ka company code. And sa ato operating concern na global concern nasiya duha ka-under nga controlling area, which is si controlling North America sanang si controlling Europe. Then every controlling area na sila tagsa-tagsa ka company code sa to sample illustration. So kang controlling America is na global bike incorporation, and kan controlling Europe is global bike Germany. And proceed ta kang controlling master data. Then kang controlling master data natay unom kabuok. Mo na si profit center, cost center, internal order, revenue element, sanan cost element, and statistical key figures. Then didri kang profit center is they are responsible for generating revenue and controlling cost. It is evaluated based on profitability. So diri kang profit center based sa nga na profit center is diri ta nag-generate ng revenue and controlling cost. Duha iya gi-generate sa revenue si controlling cost. And the base na siya sa profitability. The next, the cost center, responsible for controlling cost but does not generate revenue. If si profit center is responsible pag generate kang revenue kang controlling cost, meanwhile si cost center is only for controlling cost, dili siya mo generate ng revenue. Examples include maintenance, security, and administration departments. Responsible na sila sa control cost but di sila mo generate of revenue. The next is internal order, a temporary cost collector used to track costs for specific events, activities, or project. So internal order is temporary ra siya nga cost collector nga mag-track siya cost specific sa unsang event, activities, or project. Then sa revenue element is represent revenue accounts transferred from financial accounting to controlling. So sa revenue element from the word revenue, so siya ang nag-represent sa mga account, sa mga revenue account nga nag-transfer gikan kang financial account padung kang controlling. Then dirita kang cost element, represent expense accounts transferred from financial accounting to controlling. Kung si revenue element is nag-represent ra siya sa revenue account nga na-transfer gikan kang financial accounting padung kang controlling, si cost element is nag-represent siya sa expense account gi-transfer gikan kang financial accounting padung kang controlling. Then si cost element is na siya primary cost elements and secondary cost element. Primary cost elements come from external expenses recorded in financial accounting. So si primary cost element is kanang external expenses siya nga naka-record dito kang financial accounting, while secondary cost elements are used only within controlling for internal cost allocation. So si secondary cost elements is nagamit siya kung unsay naa kang controlling kay para sa internal cost allocation. Then statistical key figures or SKF, measurements such as the number of employees, floor area, or machine hours used to allocate cost accurately among departments. So diri kang SKF is kanang magma-measure niya ang mga employee, floor area, o machine hours, and para ma-allocate niya ang cost accurately kay para dili maglisod sa finance. Then mao niya to sample illustration. The next is kang controlling processes. Natay duha ka controlling processes, which is si distribution and assessment. And si distribution is used to allocate primary cost only, while si assessment is used to allocate both primary and secondary cost. So si distribution is nag-allocate ra siya sa usa, kang primary cost ra, and kang assessment is duha, kang primary cost and kang secondary cost. Then the original cost element remains visible after allocation dito kang distribution. While cost are grouped and transferred using secondary cost elements kang assessment. So, in conclusion, distribution is only allocating primary cost, meanwhile assessment is allocating both primary and secondary cost. Then next is SAP S/4HANA innovation. SAP improved controlling in S/4HANA. So, magsugod ta sa cost element integrated with GL accounts. No need to create and maintain cost elements separately. Everything is managed through general ledger or GL account. So, there is a improved nga controlling sa SAP S/4HANA is kanang dili na ka need mag-create sanan mag-maintain ng elements lahi-lahi kay dito kang general ledger account pwede naman nimo dito ma-manage ang tanan. Then Universal Journal combines financial and controlling data into one system, provides real-time reporting and reduces duplicate data. Dito sa improved na nga controlling sa SAP S/4HANA is i-combine na niya ang financial ug ang controlling data into one system. Kibali sa usa ka one system is makakontrol na ka sa data nga imo ma-receive ug imo ma-send, and meanwhile dito sa nga system is kanang maka-manage na ka or maka-analyze na ka sa imo financial status. The next is material ledger. Now mandatory in SAP S/4HANA, tracks material cost more accurately, supports multiple currencies and actual costing. So there is a improved controlling sa SAP S/4HANA is kanang maka-accurate na kag-track sa imo material cost. Kung pilay cost sa imo every materials, and ga-support na ang controlling improved nga maka-support na siya sa lahi nga currencies. Dili na siya limited sa dollars and everything kung unsay naa didto sa karaan, and diri sa improved is daghan na currencies iya iya ma-support and actual costing. So in short, kanang diri sa improved nga controlling sa SAP S/4HANA is mas faster and mas accurate na siya kaysa dito sa karaan. And that's all I explained from the module controlling SAP controlling.